Good morning, class. How are you today? Inshallah, today we will talk about Ohm's law. Please open your book on page 176. Ohm's, Ohm's law. Ohm created a law that describes how voltage, current, and resistance are related. Voltage, current, and resistance are related. Ohm's law say that resistance in a circuit is equal to voltage divided by current. Ohms says that resistance in a circuit equal voltage divided by current. This relationship can be represented by an equation. This equation equal resistance equal voltage divided by current. Okay. The unit of voltage is V volt, and the unit of current is amp or ampere. Okay, and the unit of resistance is ohm. Ohm, 1 ohm equal 1 voltage divided by amp or ampere. Okay, if you want to calculate resistance equal voltage divided by current. If you want calculate voltage equal current times resistance. Voltage equal current times resistance. Okay. For example, if the of resistance constant, if the resistance constant, if the resistance constant, if the resistance constant, okay, for the resistance constant, and if voltage is doubled, if voltage is doubled, the current double as well. When the resistance constant and makes the voltage double, the current will become double. Okay, again, voltage equal current times resistance, and resistance equal voltage divided by current. Okay. Ohm's law, resistance equal voltage divided by current. Okay, when the resistance constant and make the voltage double, the current become double as well. Okay. Type. Okay. Number 3. Predict. Suppose you triple the voltage in a circuit but keep the resistance constant. The current in the circuit would be triple the same as a third of the original current. Resistance constant and make the voltage triple. The current would be what, triple or the same or a third of? Yes, excellent, triple. Yes, triple. Okay, triple. Yes, triple. Number 2, question number 1. Number 1, calculate. A multimeter is a device. A multimeter is a device that can measure the current in a circuit. Multimeter is a device that can measure the current in a circuit. Okay, where is the multimeter? This is the multimeter, and the multimeter measure what? Measure the current. So this device is called multimeter, and this multimeter measure what? Measure the current. What is the current? Yes, excellent. The current equal 6.54. Okay, this the current. Use the reading on the multimeter, okay, and the battery to find the voltage and current. Current equal 6.54, okay, and battery equal 6 volt. So the voltage equal 6, okay, and the current is a circuit. Calculate the resistance. Calculate the resistance. Number one, remember what is the equation that you use to calculate the resistance. The equation equal resistance equal voltage dividing by divided by current. So we will make division for voltage divided by current. The voltage equal 6. Okay, the voltage equal 6. هنا 6. The voltage 6 dividing by the current. The current equal 6.454. 6.54. 6 is voltage. Okay, the unit of voltage is V volt, and 6.54 is this reading for current, and the unit of current is ampere. Ampere, ampere equal 6 over 6 dividing by 6.54 equal 0.91 ohm. Okay. Number two, calculate battery gradually lose voltage. A circuit contains 2 ohms. Okay, of resistance and an old 9-volt battery, 4 amps of current run through the circuit. What is the actual voltage? What is the equation that he used to calculate the voltage? Voltage equal resistance times current. Times what? Current. Okay, this is the equation that we use. We use it to measure or to calculate the voltage. Voltage equal resistance times current. Okay, what is the resistance? Resistance 2 ohms of resistance. So the resistance equal to an actual voltage V equal 2 times current. The current equal 4 amp or 4 amperes. So the current equal 4 amperes. 4. The voltage equal 2 times 4 equal 8. 8. What is the unit of voltage? V. Yes, excellent. V. Please do it or solve it on your book and Solve it in your book, please. On your book on page 176. On page 176. Okay, class. Thank you for everyone. See you later. Goodbye.